Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, it started today's session. Yes, students. Here is some question for you, which is based on previous class. Yes. So, please give me your answer. Which is an example of shrubs? Yes. Which is the example of shrubs? Yes. So, answer is lemon. Yes. Lemon plant is the example of shrubs. Okay, students? Okay. Now, here is the second question for you. Which is an example of creepers? Yes, we had already done with this in our previous class. Yes, students. So, what is the answer? Which is the example of creepers? Yes. Yes, so very good students. The example of creeper is pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin. Okay. So I think you all remember that in previous class we had started a new chapter which is getting to know plants. Okay, in that chapter what we study about classification of plant based on their characteristic. Yes, and there is three types of plants, three categories. There is first one is herbs, second one is shrubs, and third one is tree. Yes, student, third one is tree. Yes, so we know that herbs stems are very flexible, very easily bent. Yes, and but the shrubs are the taller than the herbs, but the shorter than the tree. Tree's trunk is the very tree's trunk, or their stem is very hard or very thick. Yes, they I will give you I had already give you some examples also. There is in herb there is mint, tulsi. These are the example of herbs. Yes, plant, carrot. These are the tomato plant. These all are the example of herbs. Then I had give you the example of herbs. There is jasmine plant, china rose, lemon plant, dhatura, bougainvillea. These are the all are the example of herb. Then I had give you the example of trees. There are mango, banana. I mean mango. Yes, banana. Sorry, mango, apple. There are lot of trees. We all know that. Yes. Then we see the creepers and climber. There are creeper are the those creepers are the those who is creepers are those their stem is very weak stem. Yes, and they spread all over the ground. And then we see the climber are the that take the support to the neighboring, or we give the support or structure to uh, to climb upward direction. Yes, we had done with this. Then we see the parts of the plant in which we see the stem. Now come to the today's session. Now tell me, students, what you see. Yes, what you see in this picture. Yes, students. Yes, very good, students. This is a leaves. Yes, so our next topic is leaves. Okay, students, our next topic is leaves. Okay. Okay. Now, see here, leaves. The broader green part of the leaf is called lamina. Okay, see in this picture, this is the leaf. Okay, this is the leaf, and this broader part, yes, this broader part is called lamina. Okay, and this is a stem, and we all know that this is a stem. Yes, and the petiole is that part where the stem is which is attached to the stem. Okay, petiole is the part which is attached to the stem. Okay, students, see here, the broader leaf part of the leaf is called lamina. The part of a leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. Yes, I already told you that the part which is attached to the stem is called petiole. See this part. Okay, okay. Now see here. Here is next there is the leaf in which, see, this type of leaf, we see that they we call this is midrib. Okay, in the leaf there is a we see this type of leaf, this is called midrib. Okay, this line is called midrib. Okay, and this is called veins. Okay, like this is called leaves. Okay student, now see here, small line present on the leaf are called veins. Small lines which is present on the leaf surface, see, this is a just suppose this is a leaf. Okay, see, here is the leaf and this is called veins. See, this small line is called veins. Okay, and the thick vein in the middle of the leaf is called midleaf, or see here, thick vein. See, this thick line is called midrib. Okay students. Okay, now see, here is a leaf venation. The pattern of veins on the leaf is called venation. Okay, what is venation? Venation is the pattern of leaf which is present in the leaf, that is called venation. Okay, there is two types of leaf venation. First one is reticulate and second one is parallel venation. Okay students. Okay, now see here, what is leaf venation? See in this picture, see here, in this picture you see here, if there is if this design is net like on both side of the midrib, the venation is reticulate. The venation is reticulate. Yes, you see there is some example, you must you all have seen the rose plant. Okay student, people, mango tree. Yes, and if the design made by veins is parallel to the one another in a leaf is called parallel venations. Yes, it's called parallel venation. Like where there is some example of grass, wheat, maize, banana, these are the example of parallel venation. Is the leaf which is parallelly, see, straight. Okay, and the net like both the side of midrib, like reticulate venation is like, see, like this, in which the midrib and veins are present. You must see the people or mango tree there, when see in their midrib is present. Yes, this is called midrib. Yes, see here, and this is called veins. This small line is called veins. Okay, and this is a parallel venation, which is we all know that parallel, which is stand like C, बिल्कुल सीधे सा जो खड़ा होता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Parallel venation. Okay. Okay, now see, here is the reticulate venations. Yes, reticulate venation. Now see very clearly in this image, these are the reticulate venation. I think you all are clear what is difference between reticulation venation and what is difference between parallel venation. These are the example of reticulate venation. Yes, see, here is also present a midrib. Yes, veins. Yes students, midrib and veins is present. Yes, here also midrib and veins are present. Yes. Okay, see, next, now students, see, there is a parallel venation. In parallel venation, what happened? I already told you that the leaves which is C. There is some example I will also give. There is lot of plants. Yes, lot of plants. It'll be banana plant. There is banana plant. There is, or other plant is also who comes under parallel venations. Okay, the leaves is parallel. Okay students. Okay, no, now I think you all are very clear how which one is reticulate venation, which one is parallel venations. Okay, now see here, function of leaves. Function of leaves. So we all know that the photosynthesis which is take place in leaves. Yes, we all know that photosynthesis is take place in uh, uh, leaf. Yes, so green leaves make plants food by the process of photosynthesis. Yes, using carbon dioxide and water in the process, in the presence of sunlight. Yes, we all know that carbon dioxide and water is used by the plant to make their food. Yes, and this all process is happen in the leaves. Okay. Now, second is transpiration. Leaf gives out the excess water in the form of vapor. Yes, through the process of transpiration. So, what happened in transpiration? In transpiration, in the leaf there are excess water present in the leaf. So that's why what happened? It's excess water is evaporate or through the process of transpiration. Okay. Okay, now here is some question for you. Parallel variation is not found in sugarcane, people, maize or wheat. So what is the answer? Yes, so answer is people. Yes, I already told you that people leaves is come under to the reticulate venation. Yes, there is a present in the people leaf there is present midriff and their side by side veins is present. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, student, tell me what you see in this image. Yes, what you see. Yes, very good. So this is the root part. Yes, root plant. So our next part is root. Okay. Now see here, students, the root helps in holding the plant firmly in the soil. Yes, and root absorb water and mineral from the soil, and the stem transport these to the other parts of plant. Yes, students. So I already told you that in previous class also, root supports the plant. Yes, root supports the plant and it holds the plant firmly in the soil. And root absorb the water and mineral from where? They absorb water and mineral from the soil. Okay, and the stem transported these to the other parts of plant. Yes, and in the stem there is a present tube like structure which is called xylem. Yes, with the help of xylem, what plant can do, they provide minerals and water from the soil. Yes. Okay, now see, here is the types of root. Okay, we all know that what is root. Then here is the types of root. So there is a two types of root. First one is taproot, second one is fibrous root. Okay, for roots of the kind source in the main root is called taproot and the smaller roots are called lateral roots. Okay, so plant with roots as shown in do not have a main root. All roots stem similar and these are called fibrous root. Okay, student, plant with a root which shows do not have a main root, but all roots seems like similar, but these are called fibrous root. So root absorb water and mineral from the soil and the stem conduct these to leaves and other parts of the plant. Okay, and the leaf prepare food. This food travel through the stem and it is stored in different part of plant. So I already told you that in previous class, leaf prepared food. Yes, photosynthesis is happen in the leaf. Yes, and we know that plant prepare their food in the leaves. Yes, so food travels through the stem and it is stored in different part of plant. Yes, students. So here is some example of weed, some of these roots also. Yes, we I already told you that we in previous chapter also food and where it's come. In previous chapter also I told you that we eat different all parts of plants. Yes, like there we eat leaves also, we eat flowers also, we eat stems also, we eat roots also. So here is some example of roots, like we all eat sweet potato, we all eat carrot, radish. These are the these all come under the roots. Okay, so we all eat this. Yes. Okay, now here is the some example for you. These are the roots which we are eat, like turnip, carrots, sweet potato. These all are come into the roots. Okay, here is the taproot system and these are the fibrous root system. Okay. Now, here is one question for you. Which of the following has fibrous root? Yes, student, here is one question for you. Which one of the following has fibrous root? Yes, peas, wheat, radish, neem. Fibrous root. Yes. Yes, so very good student. The answer is reddish. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, student, what you see in your screen? Screen, yes. What is this? Yes, these are the flower. These are the different colors of flower. Yes, very good. So our next topic is flower. Okay, next part is flower. We done with the stem, then we done with the leaves. Yes, then these are the our third topic is flower. So see here, flower is mainly the reproductive part of plants. Yes, flower is the mainly the reproductive part of the flower. So different part of flower is, first one is petal, there is sepal, pistil, which is female reproductive parts. Okay, there is a in flower there is a present a female part and male part. Okay, pistil part is female and the stamen part is male reproductive parts. Okay students. Okay, now see here, first one is petal. Okay, what is petal? Petal is the colored part of flower. In Hindi we can say that फूल की पंखुड़ियां. Yeah, वी ऑल नो ना, पंखुड़ियां तो वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स के होते हैं ना, डिफरेंट. सी इन दिस पे पिंक येलो, pink, yellow, red. There are varieties of flower in our surrounding, in our nature. Yes, that is called petal. Okay, petal is the colorful. Okay, now second one is sepal. Okay, a small leaf like structure. Okay student, a small leaf like structure, the outermost green color part that enclose the bird. Okay, see, this part is called sepal. Okay, okay student, now clear? Okay, now see here, this is the flower. Okay, now I already told you that pistil is the female part and stamen is the male reproductive. Okay, male part is this stamen. Okay student, so see, this one is pistil, yes, female reproductive part, and this is the stamen, which is male reproductive parts. Okay, okay, now see. Okay, now see here, what is the now here is the stamen, which I already told you that male part of the flower and the pollen producing part of the flower. So in the flower there is a pollen, and pollen producing part of the flower is which? Stamen. Okay, stamen is the pollen producing part of the flower. Okay students, so parts of stamen is, this is called anther and this is called filament. Yes, see in this diagram, this is called anther. This broader part is called anther. Okay, this broader part is called anther, and this stem like structure is called, yes, filament. Okay, and these both are called stamen. Okay, these both are called stamen. Okay students, this is a petal, this is a sepal, and this is the ovule, and this is a stalk and receptacle. This is the ovary, style, and stigma. So these three combine and it's make pistil. In pistil what come? First one is stigma, then style, and then third one is ovary. So I already told you that pistil is the female part and stamen is the male part. Okay, male reproductive parts. Okay, now see here, pistil. Pistil is the female reproductive part that it consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Okay, see in this picture also very clearly given here, stigma, style, and ovary. Yes, okay, this is a mature flower. Okay, okay, so now internal structure of ovary. So ovary is the lowermost and swollen, I mean part, I think swollen part of the pistil. Okay, okay, this part is, see, this part is swollen part. See, this swollen part is the ovary. Okay students, see this swollen part. Okay, so the inner part of the ovary is using a lens. Okay, do you see a small bead like structure inside the ovary called ovules? Okay, students, now see, in the ovary there is present a small bead like structure. See, this is, see, so what is called this? This is called ovules. Okay, this is called ovules. Okay, so this is the inner structure of ovary. Okay. Okay, now see here, and here is one question for you. Male reproductive part of flower is sepal, petal, stamen, or pistil. So what is the answer? Yes, we already discussed with you. Yes, yes. So stamen is the male reproductive part. Okay, and pistil is the female reproductive part. Yes. Okay. Now, recapitulation time. So, at the end of lesson, what we have done today, we have done today about the leaves. There is two types of leaves. Yes, two types of leaves is there. So first one is reticulate venation and second one is parallel venation. Yes. So reticulate venation, there is a present midriff or veins. Yes. In the parallel venation, their design made up of veins is parallel to the one another. Yes. Then we see some examples also, reticulate venations like people or mango tree. Then we see the example of parallel venations also. There is wheat, grass, banana. These are the all, these leaves are example of parallel venations. Then we see the function of leaf. Then what we see, then we see the root. So root helps to hold the plant, and root absorb all the water and minerals to from the soil and provide all the parts of the plant. Then we see about the flower. There is a there then we see in flower there is a color. The flower is the colorful. There is the different parts of flower like pistil, sepal, uh, petals, and stamen in flower. Then we see there is a male reproductive part and female reproductive part. Yes, male reproductive part is the stamen and pistil is the female reproductive part. So in the basis of this, here is some question for you. What is the lamina? Yes, students, now tell me, what is the lamina? Yes. So, what is the lamina? Lamina is the broader and green part of the leaf. Okay, broader and green part of the leaf. Okay, students, that is called lamina. Then second one is give some example of parallel venation. Yes. So there are lot of example like maize, banana, grass. These are the example of parallel venations. Yes. So can anyone give me the some example of reticulate venation? Yes. Yes. There is a people, rose. These all leaves are the example of reticulate venation. Okay, student. So what is the pistil? Yes. Pistil is the female reproductive parts. Yes, female reproductive part is called pistil. Okay, students. Okay, now here is a homework for you. In which part of plant of flower you will find the ovary? Okay, in which part of plants of flower you will find the ovary? Okay, and the second question is, name two plants in which one has joined sepals and the other has separate sepal. Yes, I already discussed this point also. What is sepal, or where it is joined? Yes, so give name any two plants in which one has joined sepal and other has separate sepal. Okay, students, thank you.